Good afternoon, guys. This is Auntie Olive here. Good afternoon. I hope you are having a good evening. I am going to do something different this evening. Auntie Olive is going to do some cooking outside at my HQ. And this is Auntie Olive's HQ. I've never done YouTube outside before. So now I'm going to do it. The summer is going. So I said, let me do something different this evening. So this evening, I'm going to do some fish and some soul food. I'm going to marinate the fish with some all-purpose seasoning. Also, some seafood seasoning. I'm also going to use some garlic that I blended before and some is left. So I'm going to use it to marinate my fish. Okay, so I'm marinating my fish here now with some seafood seasoning, some white pepper, okay guys, now I'm gonna put my fish in my pot, in my frying pot here. Okay guys, now I'm gonna give my fish a turn. It's not ready yet. Let me see. And this is parrot fish, guys. Okay guys, so I have turned my fish. I gave it the first turn, okay? Okay. And to go along with the fish this evening, Auntie Olive is gonna do some soul food. So we're gonna do some yam, bananas, plantain, sweet potatoes, and some green banana. Okay guys, I'm giving the fish another turn. Ooh. Wow. As always, cook along with Auntie Olive. So guys, this is my fish here. I've turned them off camera. So this is it. And as I said, I'm gonna do some pumpkin dumplings, some bananas, some yam, and some plantains. Okay? Okay guys, Auntie Olive is washing her hands to make the dumplings. Okay? Okay, so this is my pumpkin that I blended to make the flour. Okay? I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so now Auntie Olive is gonna put a little salt in the flour and I'm gonna mix it in here. Okay guys, so now I'm mixing my dumpling with my pumpkin. Okay guys, I'm washing my hands again, and I'm going to show you the finishing touch of the fish. The fish, it's almost finished, but I'm going to make a gravy, not a gravy, a sauce to pour over it. Okay guys, so this is the fish, and I'm going to make a gravy to put over it. Okay, I'm not going to steam it, I'm just going to make a gravy and put over it. So now guys, see, I have making my pumpkin dumpling. I've already kneaded the flour with the pumpkin sauce in it. So this is it, and this is my soul food, my sweet potatoes, my plantain, my dasheen, and my yam, my banana. Okay, so keep cooking with Auntie Olive in her HQ, and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, here I'm washing my soul food to put in the pot. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the pot now. A little piece of skin here. So now guys, I'm going to put it in the pot here. Okay guys, I'm going to put some salt in the pot. I'm not measuring it, I'm just using my okay guys, keep watching. Okay guys, now I'm gonna make the sauce for the fish. I have bell peppers, I have scallion, I have thyme, garlic, so here I'm making the sauce for the fish. Okay guys, so I'm adding some vinegar to the sauce. So I'm gonna add some seafood seasoning. Okay guys, this is a new sauce that I bought. I don't know how it's gonna be. It's called Reggae Kitchen. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little in there. I saw the sauce and I figured, let me try it. Here guys, here is my sauce for the fish. As I said, I have the thyme, I have the bell peppers, I have the scotch bonnet, I have onions, okay, and garlic. I'm going to put it over the fish now. Okay guys, this is the pot of soul food. It's bananas, the sheen, plantains, yam, sweet potatoes, and pumpkin dumpling. Okay, so I'm gonna dish a plate here. Okay guys, so this is a small plate because there's nobody here to eat with me, so Auntie Olive is gonna try to eat this small plate. So please share, view, and so Olive might be going. Auntie Olive has some emergency, so I'll be taking a trip, but I'll try to do some videos wherever I am. Okay, thank you for watching and have a good evening.